In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do an armpit detox and the reasons why you'll want to do this. Also, to help to eliminate body odor. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson. I'm a health coach, a wife, a mother of 6 amazing children, and an essential oil educator. And I'm obsessed with helping people learn how to use natural solutions to take care of their health so they can live life fully. And I would love for you to subscribe and like this video as we're growing this channel. So what is an armpit detox and why is it so important? So basically the armpit detox is to help detox this area where there's lymph nodes. And our lymph system is what helps to eliminate toxins from our body. But they'll often get clogged in this area because we use deodorant and antiperspirants. And so the intention of the detox is to eliminate the buildup of those deodorants, antiperspirants, so that our bodies can function optimally. Before I share my recipe for detoxing my armpits, as well as some of the additional benefits from it, I want to talk about traditional deodorant and antiperspirant and why these are so concerning for people that are using them. So traditional deodorants contain aluminum, parabens, phthalates, and propylene glycol. So the active ingredient in traditional pharmaceutical grade deodorants is aluminum. And these aluminum salts are used to coat the armpit and clog the sweat glands and pores so that you don't sweat. But according to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, these salts, these aluminum salts, as they build up, they can break down and cause cancer. Now, parabens are added to traditional deodorant to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. And they also are absorbed through your armpit. And they've shown to mimic estrogen and create an imbalance in your hormones, especially in your reproductive hormones. And phthalates and propylene glycol are chemicals that are actual endocrine disruptors. So they mess again with your hormones. Propylene glycol is what gives the deodorant its shape and can cause allergies to develop. So 3 reasons why you may want to do this detox. 1, it can remove the buildup of the antiperspirant in the deodorants that is there clogging your sweat pores and glands. Also, it is great for eliminating odor because it will help to eliminate the bacteria and not allow that to grow. And this is especially important if you are switching to a natural deodorant from traditional deodorants. Is a big complaint is that I still smell. It's not because of the deodorant, it's because of the bacteria that's growing there. So doing this detox before switching is a great idea. And then 3rd, and probably the most important, is just an overall body detox that is helping to eliminate some of those chemicals and toxins from our bodies to help us just in the long term be healthier. So the main detox is with bentonite clay. This clay will actually absorb and suck out those toxins. You can use it on your face. It's great for masks. It's great for your armpits and other skin irritations you might have where you're trying to pull out the toxins. And it's a mixture of 1 to 2. So 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay with 2 tablespoons of water. And you just mix that up into a paste and then you apply it to your skin. I actually use doTERRA's, it's a mud mask, and I like this better because it also has essential oils added to it and some other things that help with the detox, and I don't have to mix it up, so it's super convenient. But if you don't have this on hand and you have bentonite clay, or you can buy that on Amazon, that it's super easy to be able to mix up. And you'll just grab a big slab and put it on your armpits and leave it on for about 10 minutes. Now, it can be kind of inconvenient. I'm here in my swimming suit top, but generally if you do it before getting into the shower. So if you are doing other things to prepare before you get in the shower, and then while you're in the shower, maybe you're washing your face or your hair and just keeping your armpits dry, that this is just the most convenient way to do it. And you can do this. I recommend doing it for a week before, every day for a week before switching over to a natural deodorant. Then after that is dried, it's been about 10 minutes, is sucking the toxins out. Now, if you haven't ever done this and you've been using traditional deodorant for a long time, you might feel a little bit of irritation there. That is totally normal. You shouldn't have any pain. If there's pain, just wipe it off. But you shouldn't have that. But you might feel more of an intense experience than I'm feeling. It just will kind of harden and dry. And then also what I do is I will either take a washcloth or a cotton ball and then use the apple cider vinegar and then just kind of after I've rinsed it off with the water, is just kind of swipe it a little bit with the apple cider vinegar. This will help to prevent any bacteria from growing under your armpits. So with the apple cider vinegar, it will neutralize that bacteria to prevent odor. So it helps to eliminate that smell that you, maybe a teenager, are experiencing. But it is slightly acidic, so it might feel a little uncomfortable, especially if you shave your arms and then do it. So probably don't do it then. A couple last things I want to give a plug for is switching to a natural deodorant. You can find them on Amazon. I love doTERRA's natural deodorant. It has also Balance grounding blend in there. It smells heavenly, and they have another one with Douglas fir and wild orange smell. So it's really a good smell, but it's not harmful or toxic. Another thing that I've found helpful is you can either mix a roller bottle with tea tree and lemon essential oil, and then some fractionated coconut oil either in a spray or in a roller bottle or in a spray bottle, and you can put that under your arms. That can help manage some of the bacterial issues if you continue to have like an odor issue as you're switching over to a natural deodorant. If you want more natural living tips, make sure that you subscribe and then watch my next video that's coming out.